Perched on the pristine edge of Tinbeerwah, this rare 5-acre northeast facing treasure offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Tucked away on a private dead-end road with panoramic ocean views stretching as far as the eye can see, this land is more than just beautiful, it's magical. A massive 1,000 square metre cleared building envelope, this property is ready and waiting for your vision of a dream home to start. Located within 20 minutes from the world-famous Noosa main beach, 12 minutes from the lively Noosa River, and just moments away from the vibrant energy of Umundi and Koroi villages, this is the perfect blend of beachside living and spacious rural property. A stunning rural dam, towering ghost gums, and local wildlife of kangaroos and koalas brings this land to life. The possibilities, truly endless. Simplicity, privacy, and convenience. This is more than just land. It's your legacy. The canvas is yours to create.